Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals as soon as they arrive. If you want to see all the still pictures of this or anything else we have in our lot and current inventory, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, 2020 Ram 5.7 liter Hemi motor crew cab Longhorn with all the bells and whistles on it. Guys, this is a gorgeous truck. Starting off in the front, you're gonna notice it has the aggressive upgraded front grille that is completely chromed out. So this is a black truck, as you can see, but it does have a really nice brown trim that runs along the front bumper and along the sides, which I'll show you in a second. All these little circles right here that run along the front bumper, those are for your front monitoring systems. Definitely helps you when you're parking into them tight spots. And as you can see by the paint job, it is black, and that brown trim runs on top of the wheel well, and it runs down here below on the bottom of the truck. Definitely gives it a really cool look. Definitely something different. Not everybody has it, and it looks awesome. We also do have the RamBoxes on this particular truck. Simply hit the button, open it up. Plenty of storage room for whatever it may be. It could be for beverages. It does have drain plugs in the bottom here. It could be for tools. It also does have AC plug right there for your 115 volt. On the back, you're going to notice the brown does run all the way around the back too. So all the way around this vehicle, you have that brown trim that runs all the way along the bottom. Gives it a very nice look. And you also do have your rear monitoring system, the little circles that run along the back here. Dual exhaust with your chrome tips on there. It also does have trailer tow, as you can see here, with a 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup. Backup camera located in the tailgate right there. Already has your spray and bed liner. This vehicle does come with a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. It also does have extended coverage on the powertrain, which is I believe 5 years 60,000 miles. So plenty of coverage on this, and guys, this vehicle has almost every option you could want on it. One thing I did not mention when we were doing the walk around, on the outside, this is a 22-inch factory Ram rim. It's got a really nice brown kind of insert, as you can see, running through the chrome. Definitely gives it a cool look. Last thing on the outside, it does have the power running boards, as you can see there. So like I just opened the door, you can see the power running boards pop down as soon as you pull the handle. Memory seating for up to 2. It also does have side mirror controls located right here, so you can adjust your side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. This vehicle does have a power driver's seat and a 4-way power lumbar, power foot pedestals. It also does have automatic overhead lights, as you can see there. On the left hand side of the steering wheel right here, we have all the controls that are all operate your instrument cluster located here in the center of the dash. You also have capability of programming your phone directly into this vehicle. So you can simply hit the green phone once your phone's programmed in when it rings. Then you can carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. These 2 buttons here on the inside of the right hand side of the steering wheel, this is for your adaptive cruise control. You basically can set it on a speed while going down the road, and your car will adjust by speeding up and slowing down depending on how close the car is in front of you. You no longer have to touch the brake or the pedal while going down the road. Awesome safety feature, and definitely a really cool feature to use while you're driving. How you set your cruise control is these 4 buttons over here on the side. You can also adjust the gears if you'd like while driving down the road. And then you have controls on the back hand side of the steering wheel that can operate the radio. Push button start. This vehicle also does have remote start, so you can start it from outside of the vehicle. Turn key when it comes to reverse and neutral drive. By putting it in reverse like I just did, it's going to show you your factory backup camera right there behind you. Very large 12-inch touchscreen radio with a bunch of options on this thing. AM, FM, Sirius XM radio on it. It does come with a free subscription to Sirius XM radio, which is really nice. It also comes with control features. So what's under the control features is you're going to have your heated seats, your ventilated seats, and your heated steering wheel. With your heated seat and your ventilated seats, you have 3 settings, a high, medium, and a low. Also, you have dual climate controls with this, so you can set the driver on one temperature if you'd like, and the passenger on another temperature, or you can sync them together if you'd like. There's also an auto feature where you set on whatever temperature you desire, and it'll make the cab come to that temperature, and it'll maintain that temperature. A bunch of built-in Uconnect apps that are built in there for you. It also does have factory navigation built into this, which is another nice feature. Factory brake control located right here. It does have all your tow haul features right here. And the center console on this thing is absolutely awesome and huge. As you can see here, it does have cup holders and then a small storage bin in there for change or little knickknacks, whatever it may be. But you can slide that back, and then you have a large storage unit down there with an AC plug. You also have a factory charging port for your cell phone. So no matter if it's an Android or an Apple, simply put your phone in the slot right here, and it'll charge your phone while driving down the road. Underneath the armrest, you do have a small compartment up top with a USB plug there in the back, and also a large one underneath that. The home link system's located right here, so you can program up to 3 garage door openers directly into this vehicle. Very large sunroof. As you can see, it goes all the way to the back of the vehicle and is all power. And it does have a shade that does come over that sunroof if you don't want the sunlight to come in the cab. As you can see, the rear, very plush, upgraded floor mats, just like the front. I don't think I mentioned that, but it does have the upgraded floor mats, the Longhorn ones. AC plug here in the back. It also does have heated seats, ventilated seats in the back, which gives another nice feature. These seats do flip up. As you can see, if you need to haul something in the back of this vehicle, it definitely gives you plenty of room to do so. So once again, if you're looking for an awesome truck, this is kind of a harder truck to find as far as the equipment that does come on it, especially with it being the two-tone and the Longhorn, with all the bells and whistles it's going to have, especially with the toolbox on it also. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com.